Today, I'm going to show you how to create viral TikToks to get you into the TikTok creativity program. The best part about these viral videos is that they are 100% original content. This means by the end of this video, you'll have learned a skill that can make you an extra £500 to £1,000 a month. I'm going to walk you through this entire process step by step so you know exactly how to create these videos. Now, if you have absolutely no idea what the TikTok creativity program is, it has basically allowed the average person to start earning a full-time living by just posting short form content like this. As you can see from these videos, it doesn't take a lot of skill to make these type of videos. You know, anyone can do this, and that's why you have people like Musa earning over $20,000 a month through TikTok.
Day in the life of a kid making $20,000 a month from TikTok clips.
This guy has literally scaled his TikTok business to the point where he's now literally flying on private jets. So it is safe to say there is a lot of money to be made on TikTok. So today I'm going to show you how to create these super viral Stoic motivation videos. They have been generated millions of views over on TikTok, which means people have been earning thousands and thousands of pounds off this niche. Now, this is actually one of my favorite niches on TikTok right now. You know, when I do my research on loads of different TikTok niches, I like to rank them. I like to put them into different categories from very niche to like extremely viral. And Stoic motivation is literally at the top of extremely viral. If you can master this niche, you can get videos popping off, getting a million views very easily. And luckily right now, compared to a lot of other niches, Stoic motivation doesn't have that much competition. And there is actually so much potential in this niche that no one else on YouTube or TikTok is talking about. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you my secret method to take advantage of the Stoic motivation niche, which is literally going to help you generate thousands and thousands of pounds. Alright, first things first, we need to watch one of these videos and analyze it to realize why they're so popular and why they're doing so well on TikTok.
Stoicism is extremely simple. It's this one principle. You don't control what happens to you, but you do control how you respond.
Okay, so as you can see from that short clip, not only are these videos motivational, but they're also very fast paced. This means it's going to keep the viewer's attention for longer, which is going to give us a high retention rate. Now, don't worry if you don't know what that means. It basically just means the longer someone watches your video, the more TikTok is going to push your video out to the For You page, which means the more views we're going to get, which in turn means the more money we're going to make. So as you can see, this niche is very good for generating us a lot of views. Okay, so now that we know why this content is doing so well, let's go ahead and actually start making these videos. I'm going to be showing you how to do every single thing in this video for 100% free. Literally, the only investment you have to make into this TikTok page is your time, because you do not have to spend a single penny. Okay, so the first thing we're going to need for these videos, and you probably have guessed this, we actually need the Stoic quote. So there are hundreds of ways to find quotes for your page. You can literally just type in Stoic motivation to Google and you'll find loads of quotes. However, this is very basic, and honestly, this is probably how most of these Stoic pages are finding their quotes. And to be honest, if you really want to stand out on TikTok and actually generate millions of views, I think we need to be more creative than that. That's why I'm going to show you my secret method to be generating these quotes no one else is doing right now. I think where 99% of people go wrong in the Stoic niche is that they just display a quote, they don't have any storytelling, they don't have any build up, and they also don't even make their videos over a minute long, so they can't even take advantage of the creativity program. So if everyone is failing so hard on the Stoic niche, what can you do to come out on top? What if I told you this problem that everyone is struggling with is actually super simple, and you can find thousands of free examples? Welcome to YouTube. You see, what we can do is actually take Stoic lessons and quotes from long form YouTube videos and turn them into TikToks. That way our videos are going to get monetized because they're over a minute long, and we also get an amazing quote at the same time without doing much research. Now, honestly, if you're serious about making a page in the Stoic niche, I would get a head start and start doing this right now, because literally no one else is doing this right now. No one else is making their videos over a minute long because no one really knows where to find these long quotes or these long stories. So I would jump on this bandwagon as fast as possible. Alright, so let's actually go ahead and find one of these quotes on a YouTube channel. I've typed in Stoic motivation on YouTube, and I found thousands of videos with Stoic quotes all over 1 minute long. What I'm going to do is watch one that I like. Probably it's got a lot of views, which means it's got viral potential, which means it'll probably go viral on TikTok as well. So I found this page called Stoic Life Lessons that has uploaded over 30 long form Stoic videos. Now, these videos are between like 10 to 20 minutes long. All we need is 60 seconds from these videos. You know, just doing some rough maths, that's at least 300, 400 videos that we can extract from this page alone. And it only took me 60 seconds to find this guy, so I don't think you're gonna have any problem with finding content through YouTube. So the next step that we're gonna do is open up one of his videos and turn on the transcript. This way we can copy the exact story we want without having to type it out ourselves. So after watching this video for a bit, I liked this story. All I'm gonna do is copy the transcript of this story and make sure it is over 1 minute long, and there you go, we have our script for our video. Now, if you want, you can either ask ChatGPT to change up the words and make it more your own, own. You literally just type in, you know, transform this content for a TikTok video or something like that, or you could even throw it into Quillbot, and Quillbot will just paraphrase the text to change up the text itself. Now this is an optional step. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. It's just if you want to make the content even more your own than it already is. Now that we have the script for our video, we need to throw it into an AI voice generator. Now this is really easy. If 2023 has taught me anything, it is how accessible it is for the average Joe or the average person to become a video editor with all these tools that we've got available to us now. So all we're going to do is type in 11 labs, and then we're going to go over to AI voice generator, and then after we paste the script into this little text box, all we're going to do is change the voice. You can do that by just clicking here and then just cycle through the voices. And because this is a Stoic video, we want a deep man speaking, you know, we want that Stoic vibe. So that's what we're going to be going for in this video. After you've done that, simply click export. Just like that, we've now got a Stoic man reading our script. How easy was that? Okay, so for step number 3, what we're going to do is place our AI voice into CapCut, which again is a free online video editor. You can even download this on your iPhone for absolutely free. Anyways, now we need to create the imagery for this video. Now this can be as complicated or as easy as you want. It is entirely up to you, but I'm going to show you how to create these catchy, high retention TikTok style videos, which is obviously going to help us get more views, and the more views we get, the more money we make. So after doing some research on some Stoic pages and seeing what they do and, you know, what is working for them, I found that they have a mix of showcasing philosophers, but also like strong men from, like, you know, like Jon Snow from Game of Thrones or Troy from that Roman Empire movie. I think by combining the philosophers, modern day movies and TV shows is such a good idea to keep the viewer hooked and to keep it interesting. I think that's what we're going to do today. I think this is our best chance of going viral. So to get these Hollywood clips, all I've done is gone onto YouTube. Once you actually have these clips, you can just reuse them over and over again. So I don't think you're going to have to do this for every single video, because you've already got the clips on your computer or on your phone, so you can just reuse this stuff. Anyways, next up is the pictures of the philosophers. Now while you can just go onto Google and type in philosophers and stuff, I actually want to take this one step further and create some custom imagery for our page. So what we're going to be using is a free AI tool called Leonardo. Now if you've been around my channel before, I've mentioned Leonardo loads of times. You know, I really love the program. They're not paying me to say this, I just use this stuff all the time. But once on Leonardo, all you have to do is go to AI image generation and then type in Stoic philosophers. I usually get a couple of different styles, you know, ones with and ones without backgrounds, but as you can see, Leonardo is generating us loads and loads of images here that we can use in our TikTok videos. And once again, the best part about this is that these assets can be used more than once, so you don't have to do this every time you make a video. You can actually reuse this stuff. So like I said, the hard work is done. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is actually throw in all of the content that we downloaded earlier. So all I'm going to do is drag this Jon Snow clip in, and then I'm going to resize it so it's the right TikTok size. So as you can see, the actual Jon Snow video looks good, but you don't want this going on too long. You want to be changing this up every like 5 seconds at least to another clip, or to the Greek philosophers, or to the Roman empires. So all I'm going to do is split that and then drag on this clip here just to like fill in the gaps. Then you've just got to make sure everything is resized. So all I'm going to do is take all the stuff that we've got from earlier, cut them into like 5-second pieces, and I'll come back to you when that's done. Alright, so as you can see, I've resized the clips. I've also thrown in a few philosophers, I've thrown in a few different clips, and they're all looking kind of nice. This is where we're going to auto generate the captions. So basically it means text appearing on the screen. All you have to do is click captions and then click auto captions, and CapCut is going to do all the work for you. It's going to transcribe your script and basically put the text on the screen for you. As you can see, it's on the screen, but it, you know, it doesn't look amazing. Like, it doesn't look good. So what you can do to improve this is actually go to the right of your screen, go to text, then go to the font and change the font to any font that you want, just to make it look a bit cooler and a bit more professional. Anyways, once you've got the font going, you can also add an animation to the text. Now, animations are really cool because it brings the videos to life a bit more, but you have to be careful not to go with like a crazy animation where it's going to be like too much in your face. You want it to be subtle. Now, the animation that I've gone for this Stoic video is transcript, and it basically just highlights the word that is actually being spoken at the time. I think this just adds a nice effect and it keeps the viewer interested, because you got to remember, viewers have got like a 3-second memory. They will click off your video if they get bored, so you want to keep them constantly engaged. Anyways, after we've done that and we've got that looking nice, what we can do is actually add on an effect to the video just to make it look that much better. What I like to do is add the fire effect. So all you have to do is go to effects, find the fire effect and drag it over the videos, and as you can see, it has this cool smoke and like embers effect over the videos. And I think for Stoic videos, that just adds a nice effect and it keeps people engaged and it makes the videos look more professional, which is what we're going for. I've also decided to move the text up on the screen to the center just to, you know, catch that viewer's attention a bit more, I think. But anyways, that is pretty much all you need to know about creating these videos. This is what we made.
You know, there's this fascinating Stoic concept called amor fati, which essentially means loving your fate. It's about embracing not just the good things that happen in life, but also the challenges and setbacks. Imagine seeing every obstacle as an opportunity.
As you can see, this is very catchy, and because it is over 1 minute long, we will actually get monetized, starting in that sweet TikTok cash. I hope this video has helped you out. I've not seen anyone explain this niche in the way that I did in this video, and I honestly do believe that if you take the steps from this video and actually implement them, you could become very successful in this niche and start earning a lot of money. But just remember, with any TikTok page, consistency is key, so make sure you're posting at least once a day, preferably twice. And if you actually batch make these videos and go hard with it, I really don't see any reason why you won't get into the creativity program. If you want to see some more videos just like this, make sure you subscribe, and I'm also going to be making that AI generated game niche very soon. So I know a lot of you guys are excited to see that, but don't worry, that's coming out very soon. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.